Hey everybody, Ocean County Safety here. It is time for a little alarm update and alarm test. So this is my Firelight BG12 LA, my System Sensor Spectra Alert Mass ADA, my System Sensor P2RLED LED series aka LEDL, and the 2400 smoke detector. I have the key here. I also have a small screwdriver and the annoying neighbors outside. I hope they left. But yeah, we're gonna activate this via the detector in 3, 2, 1. There you have it. That's the system test. System test number 4. So yeah, there's the classic, the 4903 and the T-bar. I still gotta get a new lock for that. Peace out.